Nobody caught one yet. Oh, look. Nah, he had a little government assistance. Look, ain't nobody caught one yet, man. Here we go. Oh, he got him one. Oh, he got it. I don't get it, man. I don't really want it. I'm handing it to a kid. Oh, look at him. He ready. Oh, it's free for him, y'all.
Heads up, there's frisbees flying in the stands too.
Okay, oh, he caught it, but he failed. Look, they got butterfingers. They using that butter that we was talking about for them crab legs.
Difficulty with the t-shirt gun.
Oh, now look at how that shirt is. Oh, dang.
Oh, nice catch.
I don't know what. Oh, okay.
All right, we're gonna do a competition. Here's what's gonna happen. Come here, Dave. So you ever shot clay discs? All right, here's what's gonna happen.
Oh, he caught it. He caught it.
He's gonna throw the frisbee in the air, Dave, and you've got to shoot the frisbee down with the t-shirt. Here we go. Hey, on three.
No way! You can't do it! No way!
That's the next challenge. The first challenge is the clay shoot. Here we go. On three. Pull!
Oh!
Just underneath it.
I thought he was gonna hit it.
Right. The next challenge is he thinks he can throw a frisbee further than the t-shirt cannon. I don't think so. I don't think that's gonna happen. Oh no.
Dang, y'all. I got two things getting low. I got the phone low.
And which way you throwing?
I got this gimbal.
And he can shoot it over the stands. Here we go. This is the distance shot. Hey guys, y'all gotta back up. Here we go. The objective is to go the furthest. There it goes. Frisbee.
Oh, man, that was a good.
Nice job.
Danger! Oh man, where my water? Did I get another water? Cause I done got thirsty. I thought I just had a new water. I done got thirsty, man. Let me go find me one. Somebody gonna hurt themselves. What's up with it? Look out one time for the one time.
What's up, man?
Everything good?
Yeah.
You on there? You on there? You on my YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
Look out racing, man. Oh yeah. I be trying to put everybody on it. You on there, right? Okay. I'm just making sure, man. Got him up here, man. He on Lookout Racing on YouTube. Everything going. Man, I can't catch that, man. Gary Layton said I'm doing a good job, y'all. Appreciate it. Yo, new guy. How can I invest in Lookout Entertainment, man? Look, you see my finger? And watch this. I got my Cash App right there. And y'all give him my phone number, man. That phone number, I'm gonna just start putting the phone number, because that phone number linked to the Cash App, linked to the PayPal, linked to the Zelle, linked to the, what else is it? Cash App, PayPal, Zelle.
Ooh, nice catch.
Cash App, PayPal, Zelle. I guess that's everything. Cash App, PayPal, Zelle. Yeah, that's good. 3 payment forms of payment. Man, he would say Venmo. I don't got Venmo. I don't know, don't nobody. Why did you even get Venmo? I don't even know nobody with Venmo. Why did you pick Venmo when you heard? I know you done heard of Cash App. I know you done heard of Zelle. I just want to know why Venmo. That way I might need to get it. Cause I ain't found no reason to get it.
You know how to do that new pressure washer?
And then we got the Streamlabs tips. Sook Mike, you ain't showed them the link for the tips. I got all these methods and I still can't. I guess I'm gonna have to go and open me up a Venmo. I ain't finna keep hearing that. I'm gonna have every payment source. Hey y'all. I'm gonna have every payment source. I'm gonna go. Chris, new follower. I know you from MMTV and Bang Shift. I'm in the UK. We don't have Cash App. Oh, okay. Venmo not censored. Whoa, mama blind. Oh, there goes Sook Mike. Venmo the way I gotta pay the rent. Oh, okay. I'ma go and get Venmo, man. I ain't never had it. I'ma go and get it. I ain't gonna be the one that ain't got it. I'm finna go and get with the program. Give me a little Venmo. I might do that while I'm live. Hey, man. How you doing? You be on YouTube all the time? Sometimes. I got a YouTube channel anyway. It's called Lookout Racing. You can check it out. I be live streaming. I'm out of Dallas, Texas. I got all kind of races. Stevie Fast, all the way to Blackjack, man. I got all kind of races. Here, let me give you my card so you can check it out one time for the one time. The QR code in the back, you can finish with it and pass it to your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too now. Already. Thank y'all. Miss, you on my YouTube channel?
No.
For real? I thought you was on there, miss.
You want me on
Yeah, I want you on there. I just want you on there. That was my little game. I'll be running a little bit. Did it work?
Huh?
I said, that's
Yeah.
my little game. I'll be
Yeah.
running every now and then.
Just hit them straight. When you go to the next one, just say, you're on my YouTube channel. Here's my card.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna say, they waiting on you. That's what I'm gonna tell them. I sure appreciate it, miss. Look out. Make sure y'all on the look. Make sure you tell your friend, miss, or whoever you came with. Make sure you notify them that I got all the races from her, Stevie Fast, Blackjack, everybody, miss. Let them know we got everybody.
We're with Chuck.
Oh, y'all with Chuck?
Yes.
Let me go holler at Chuck, miss.
He went to go get something to eat right now.
Well, I'm finna go get me something to drink. I sure appreciate it, y'all. Oh, Chuck.
That's right.
That little 392, man.
That's right, Dave.
Oh, Chuck know about